Yes. So now see here. They are having a read. I'm going to read the complete table, and I'm going to sort the table by home wins and away wins in descending order. So if this is going to be the EPL table, complete EPL table, and if you run this section, you will be having the EPL table sorted by home wins and away wins. Okay. Now see here. Create a variable called top 6, which contains all the variables in the first 6 rows of EPL. So if you want to create the EPL table with top 6 teams, so first 6 rows of EPL should be there. So what should I do? So I will give EPL of, I'll be using the command 1 to 6. I think this command is clear. 1 to 6 means I'm going to use the first 6 rows of my thing. So we'll run this and see whether it is correct. I'll submit here and see. It is incorrect. Correct. I think we have to give this colon. Colon means I'm going to remaining columns. I'm going to take everything top 6 rows, but all columns should come. That for that you have to give this colon command. You're able to see here. Only the first top 6 is there. For top 6, all the parameters are coming. Okay, please understand 1 to 6 will display the top 6, and this colon indicates all the variables in the table should be coming for the first 6 rows of the table. Okay. Create a table called team wins that contain the first, second, and seventh variables from EPL table. Team wins equal to EPL of, what are the rows? 1, 2, 7. And for that, all the variables should come. You should give it as an array. Okay. Here 1 to 6, you need not give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is continuous, but here it is broken 1, 2, and 7, right? So you have to give it this way. We'll see if it is correct. Is team wins defined correctly? We'll see what is the error. I think I would have missed the semicolon. We'll see. So you have to give the colon here, the first thing, and not the second thing. We'll run and see if it is correct. Difference, you're able to understand the first top 6 rows I'm taking, but here for all the rows, I'm taking the first, second, and seventh column only. Here I'm changing the rows, all columns. Here all rows, 3 columns. So output you see, you will have only 3 columns. Team, home wins, away wins. Okay, so you can play like anything. So whichever, either you can select all the rows, you can select all the columns for the particular rows, or you can select all the rows and only what are the columns you require for carrying out your calculation.